Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to schedule Do Not Disturb mode to be turned on or off automatically on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. So to do it, go to the settings, then go to it'll be in the notifications, so it's here, then Do Not Disturb. Now you can just set a schedule. So here is an automatic schedule that's automatically just like by default not enabled but created, and you can enable it just like that or disable it, or you can add another schedule. You can add a name for it, for example work. Then I'm gonna set it to like Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays. No, I mean the ones that are outlined are gonna be selected, so I'm gonna select the Saturdays and Sundays, then set the time. So I'll set it between the, let's say maybe 8 a.m. And 16, which is 4 p.m. Done, save, and now I have that enabled. I can disable or enable it back again. So this is my Do Not Disturb mode scheduled. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.